Leah, go. Man, where's my fro when I need it? 3, 4. Ouch.
Oh yeah. Come on, let's get into it.
Hey, you guys, I almost have a fro. Me too. Oh, this one is gross. Oh, you behind me.
Here, television. Happy?
I wanted to do hammer time, and they took it. Oh, sorry. It's okay. I'm swimming, guys. Me too. Man, where are my high socks and my pumps? I totally, should have packed them. Leah! You gotta have the tongue out. It totally helps. That helps you focus. Me? Yes! Leah? I'm the hot dog. You are? Yeah. Oh, I'm pink then.
How are you winning? You keep on stopping.
Because I'm just a pro.
This is a group
Guys, are you guys holding it
dance.
right? You have to hold the buttons in your palm. What? Hold the buttons in your palm. Like this, like this. Like that. You just have to hold it in your, so the buttons are facing this way.
No.
That's probably why.
Oh yeah!
Leah's smart.
Yeah, you also smack your buttons? Your face! I'm sorry, Mom!
Here, get Father down here.
Father, he's a confession! Okay, she's like this. Sounds like Pauline just...
No, you already said that.
Yeah, you're late to the conversation. Alright, what is hammer time? Okay, hand place again. I'm into this. Look at my score, yo. Oh my gosh, I get my 6 foot.
Here are
I want to do this.
the scores.
Disgusting.
And back to the people.
I wonder if we can tell if you actually hit your butt. I'm getting grades, and I'm not hitting my butt.
Oh yeah, you're good. Here is the pro.
Are you
Whoa.
gonna sweat? Oh jeez, girl, I've been sweating all night. We were on the trampoline, I was dripping with sweat. You took a shot? Look at me!